Hi guys, I just wanted to come and give you guys a quick and easy video on how to create a digital vision board. So if you don't want to use magazine clippings and you want to create your vision board on digitally, this video is going to help you do that. Just so you know, I'm Dr. Tiffany Shelton. I'm a psychologist and owner of Conscious Life Shop, and I make videos on how to create a manifestation mindset so you can manifest your dreams. Please subscribe to my channel if you like those kinds of videos. So just to jump right into how to do this, if you haven't seen my last video on how to upgrade your vision board using the law of attraction, watch that video first because it's really going to help you create a vision board with power. Once you watch that video, come back and then you can create your digital vision board. So what you're going to do is, once you have the imagery using the law of attraction, you're going to search for your images that you want on Pinterest. Then you're going to save as all the pictures that you want, and I like to save them into my downloads, and then I kind of move them to a folder of the vision board, let's say 2020. So you're going to go on Pinterest, find all the pictures that you want to include on your vision board. I like to keep mine neat and focused, and I'll give you guys an example of one of mine from previous years. I'll find one and insert in here. And you're going to have all those saved. Once you have those pictures saved, you're going to open PowerPoint presentation. You're going to create a slide, and you're going to simply add those pictures to that PowerPoint. You're going to insert picture for all those pictures. Sorry, that's my little girl on the monitor. And you're going to just create a collage. I like to put a border around each picture in the settings. You could just put them overlapping, however that you like. You can color arrange them, whatever your heart's content. Then you're going to file, and you're going to print just that slide, and there you have it. You have that digital vision board, so you don't have to, run around trying to get all these magazines. And with Pinterest, you can just get exactly the images that you want. That's how I create my digital vision board. You can also save that slide as a PDF, send it to your phone, put it on your phone so you can have it in multiple places. You can use it as a backdrop, a screensaver on your desktop or on your phone. So I really like to do it digitally. I hope these tips help you. So I hope it was a quick and easy video that just gave you the information you were looking for. Happy manifesting, and I hope your vision board dreams all come true. Until next video, namaste. Oh, and I also have a daily routine manifestation guide if you're into manifestation that I will link in the description below. It's completely free, so check that out too. Namaste.